just because you see this, I change to something, go over and stop there and don't start crying. Oh, God. I imagine people so I got the big house there, and now I look at this. Been doing that. Been doing it. So, I will also forget. I've been doing that since I was in my 20s. What I was talking about, and call it up and get it back and go rolling the game. I have to pay attention to things that are really and truly important when they come in. Now, right now, there's a feeling